Hi guys, it's Hero Clark in Super Justice. Today we will learn sight words.
Let's learn sight words. Yay!
We will say each letter sound and blend them together to make a word family. A, a, T, ta.
T, ta.
A and T together makes at.
A and T together and makes at.
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 C.
C.
C plus A-T. Cat. Cat.
At.
Let's put other letters in front of the word at. M.
M.
Mm. Mm. M and A-T. Mat.
Mat.
P.
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 H.
P.
H.
At.
At.
S.
S.
Sat.
Sat.
R.
R.
R. R. Rat.
Rat.
H.
H.
At.
At.
B.
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 Bat.
Bat.
At.
At.
Thanks for learning with me.
And remember, guys, be a hero.